Hi, I'm Brenda with Hayneedle, and today we're going to be doing a short assembly video on the Windsor counter stool. The estimated time for this assembly is about 10 minutes. There are no tools required. You want to start by removing all of your contents from your box. Then you want to take a brief inventory to make sure you have all parts and hardware necessary for this assembly. First, you want to start by adjusting your swivel to the side so you're able to get your bolts in. Then you want to insert your bolts onto your washers. Now that you have done that, you want to insert the bolts in. Now we're going to be putting the top part of the chair onto the stool. You want to insert your bolts into the pre-drilled holes. Now, holding the bolt from the top, you want to take your wing nuts and go ahead and insert those on and tighten them down. Once you have all of your wing nuts tightened into place, you now have your finished Windsor counter stool.